Exercise 8.2. Before that, we have to make a table with different values of theta. Means in this table we have value sine theta, cos theta, tan, sec, cosec and cot, and the angles are 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. One thing you have to remember, the table first, then you can solve one or two questions from the board paper also. This is very simple. I will tell you the simple trick to learn this table or to remember the value. First of all, sine theta, we know that there are six ratios: sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Before starting, we have a few relations that we have to remember. Cos A is equals to 1 upon sec A. So I can say sec A is 1 upon cos A. Means the value of cos is reciprocal of sec and sec is reciprocal of cos. In same way, sine is reciprocal of cosec and cosec is reciprocal of sine. And tan is reciprocal of cot and cot is reciprocal of tan. Means we have to just reverse the value. First of all, you have to remember this table: 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. First, you have to remember this first line: 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. This values you have to remember first. Sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is half, sine 45 is 1 by root 2 and sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos sine 90 is 1. From sine, we know that the reverse of sine is cosec. This is cosec. We have to just reverse the value. Means 0 by 1, 1 upon 0 is infinity. This is the relation which we have to remember. This is 1 by 2, so I can just reverse it and I can get easily the value of this. 1 by 2 can be reversed reciprocal as 2. In same way, 1 by root 2 get a reciprocal and we can get a value of sine 45 reciprocal of cosec 45. In same way, cosec 60 is the reciprocal of sine 60. So I have to make a cosec 60 as a reciprocal of sine 60 and reciprocal of 1 is 1. Is this clear? Now, the value of cos theta, you have to just reverse. This comes here, means sine 90 equals to cos 0, sine 60 is equals to cos 30, sine 45 cos 45 same, sine 30 is equals to cos 60 and sine 0 equals to cos 0. You have to just reverse the complete line. After getting sine, we can easily write sec. The reciprocal of 1 is equals to 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Reciprocal of half is 2 and the reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Now the value of tan theta. Now the value of tan theta, by taking a ratio of sine by cos, means 0 by 1, we get equals to 0. Ratio of 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2 is equals to 1 by root 3. The ratio of sine 45 upon cos 45 is equals to 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root 2. So we can easily get cancel out and we get tan 45 equals to 1. The ratio of sine 60 upon cos 60 is equals to this 2 to cancel out. So we get root 3 as a tan 60 and 1 upon 0 is not defined. Now taking a reciprocal of tan theta, means tan 0 is a reciprocal cot theta, cot 0. So the cot 30 is the reciprocal of tan 30. We have to just reciprocal, means just the reverse the number. Upper denominator become numerator, numerator become denominator. 1 as 1 and root 3, reciprocal of root 3 is 1 upon root 3 and this is 0. You have to remember this table. And now the sums are on the basis of this table. You have to just remember this value and put the value in the given questions, and by addition, subtraction and simple operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, you can easily find the value of any question. Exercise 8.2 question number 1. Here we have to 5 questions. Sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60. Next question 210 square 45 cos square 30 and sine. This way we have 5 questions to solve. If you remember the value of sine 30 cos 60, then this both value is to be multiplied, and sine 30 and cos 60 you have to just multiply, and after that you have to add the value. Let's start first sum. How to solve this? Question number 1. Sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60. If we remembered the value of above table, sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. We have to just put the value. Sine 30 as half and cos 60 as half. Then root 3 is multiplied by 2, root 3 we get 3, and 2 is multiplied with 2, we get 4. In same way 1 is multiplied with 1 and 2 is multiplied with 2, we get 1 by 4. Here the base is same 4, so 3 plus 1 is equals to 4, 4 by 4 is equals to 1. Means in this exercise we have important of a table, and if we remember the values of all the thetas with sine, cos and different, so we can easily solve this type of sum. Question number 2. 210 square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sine squared 60. The value of tan 45 is 1, value of cos square 30 is the root 3 by 2, value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. The value of 1 square is 1, 1 into 2 is 2. Value of root 3 square is 3, and the square of 2 is 4. In same way value of root 3 square is 3 and the value of 2 square is 4. So we have to solve this. 3 by 4 and 3 by 4 cancel out, so we get easily value as a 2. Rest question I will solve in next video. Thank you students.